In the heart of Mexico, a house called Eterna rises again, not as something entirely new, but as a rebirth. This is not a story of demolition and replacement. It's a story of listening to walls that have already spoken, of honoring memories that still linger in the air, and of giving a soul-filled structure a second beginning. Eterna began with a simple yet powerful idea: preserve what matters most. 40% of the original home was carefully rescued, while the rest was seamlessly integrated through craftsmanship and care. The architects didn't just design with blueprints, they designed with memory, with roots, with respect for what had already stood the test of time. Walking through the house, you notice the textures that hold stories of place and tradition. The smooth finish of chukum, the rugged beauty of rajuela stone walls, the handwoven petatillo, and the warmth of American oak, all worked by skilled local hands. Each material becomes more than just construction, it becomes a thread in a fabric of continuity. At the heart of the home lies a central garden, where natural light pours in and life takes root. A Mayflower tree grows tall, stretching across all levels of the house. It isn't just a tree, it's a living symbol of continuity, of memory passed down, of roots that remain even as branches reach for the future. Every space within Eterna is a balance between heritage and modern living. Take the kitchen, for example. Designed for the chef of the house, it is more than a place to cook. It becomes a ceremonial space where meals are crafted, stories are shared, and family bonds are nourished. It's functional, but also deeply human. Details throughout the house echo this philosophy of blending the past with the present. The jalousies, built with local adecrito, filter sunlight in subtle, poetic ways. They don't just block or let in light, they shape time itself, casting shifting patterns that remind you of the house's dialogue with nature and history. Eterna does not try to disguise its past or chase after novelty. Instead, it embraces transformation with honesty. It is a house that remembers, that adapts, that continues to live. A place where architecture and craftsmanship weave together to write a new chapter, one filled with care, legacy, and timeless beauty.